Hi everyone, this is Krishna, Maths IIT faculty. Today I have to discuss about JEE 2020 January 7th first shift paper. Your first question is let y is equal to f of x is a solution of differential equation e power y into dy by dx minus 1 is equal to e for x, and f of 0 is equal to 0, then find the value of f of 1. See here differential equation y is equal to f of x is given, and at the same time e to the power of y into dy by dx minus 1 is equal to e for x is given. Now you have to multiply this one, e to the power of y into dy by dx minus e to the power of y is equal to e for x. Here this one, here e for y you have to take some t, then differentiate with respect x either side. Here e to the power of y and dy by dx, here t dt by dx. Now you have to take this one you have to substitute these values here, dt by dx minus e to the power of y, instead of you have to write here t, and this is e for x. This is looks like dt by dt or dy by, this is looks like dy by dx minus p into x, then this is q. See here p value how much? Here minus 1. Now see here you can find the integration factor. Integration factor is if is equal to integral of e to the power of p into dx. Here integral of e to the power of, what is the value of p here minus 1 into dx, then it is equal to e to the power of minus. This is the integration factor. Now here t into integration factor is equal to integral of q into integration factor into dx. Now see here t is equal to, what is the t value? Here e to the power of y, and integration factor is equal to e to the power of minus x is equal to, here integration of, what is the value of q is equal to, here this is e for x, and integration factor is equal to e for minus x and dx. Here see here this is e for this is e for x, here e for minus x, bases equal, powers we have to add, e to the power of 0 into dx. E to the power of 0 means what the value? Here 1 means here integration of 1 is equal to x. Now e to the power bases equal, powers we have to subtract, it is equal to x plus c. Now e to the power of y minus x is equal to x plus c. Actually here already f of 0 is given. Here this is f of x, then f of 0 is equal to, here where it is 0, here x also 0, y also 0 is equal to 0. Then here e to the power of 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 plus c. Here e to the power of 0 is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Now you have to substitute here c instead of 1. Then e to the power of y minus x is equal to x plus 1. Now you have to apply either side logarithm, then y minus x is equal to ln of x plus 1. Now you have to find what value? Here 1. F of 1 is equal to y minus 1 is equal to ln of 1 plus 1. Then here y is equal to 1 plus logarithm of 2. Which option? You have to check here. 1 plus logarithm of 2. This is the answer. Note. Okay, here second question. If alpha is a roots of equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1 by root 3, here the matrix 1 1 1 1 alpha square 1 alpha, then a to the power of 31 equal to. Now you have to write here given equation, quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4 is equal to b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then roots here, this is alpha is a root. Alpha is a root means here alpha is equal to omega and omega square, the two roots. Now you have to find here a square is equal to a into a. Here 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, and this is again you have to write 1 alpha square into here Then this is alpha. Instead of you have to take omega also, no problem. Here omega square. Here omega alpha, instead of you can take omega. Here 1 plus here omega square and omega square and omega, and here 1 omega square 1 omega square omega. Now you have to multiply. This is a square. Here 1 by 3. Here 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 3. Then here 1 into 1. Here 1. Then plus 1 plus 1. Again you have to multiply here 1, and this is omega plus omega square. Next 1. Here 1 into omega square plus omega. Next one is 1 into 1 1 plus omega into omega square, and omega square into 1 omega. Here 1 into omega, sorry, this is omega square. Next one is here 1 plus omega square plus 1 and omega square plus here omega for 4. Next 1 plus here omega cube, and this is also omega cube. Next here 1 into 1 plus omega square. Next omega. Next one is 1 into 1 omega square into omega cube, and omega into omega square omega cube. Next one is 1 into 1 plus omega square omega or 4, and this is omega square. Now see here, this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, is equal to 1 by 3 into this is 3. Here 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We know that. Here you have to substitute. Here omega means omega square, omega plus omega 1 is equal to 0. Next one also 0. Next this is 0. Next here see here 1 plus omega square plus omega for 4. Here omega for 4 you have to write here omega cube into omega. Then this is omega cube is equal to 1. Then here 1 plus omega square plus here this is omega 4. Instead of you have to write this is omega cube into omega. Here omega cube instead of you have to write to 1, and 1 into omega is equal to omega. Then 1 plus omega square plus omega is equal to 0 again. Next here 1 plus omega cube plus omega cube. Here omega cube also 1, and this is omega cube also 1. Then you have to write here 3. Next here 1 plus omega square plus omega is equal to here 0. Next here 1 plus omega cube instead of you have to write 1 plus 1 is equal to here total 3. Here this is also 1 plus here omega for 4 instead of you have to write here omega cube into omega. Then this is omega cube instead of you have to write 1 into omega, this is omega. Then this is also equal to 0. Now you have to take here 3 common, and it is also cancelled here. Then this is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Now this is a square. Now you have to find a to the power of 4. A to the power of 4 means again you have to write 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 into 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. It is equal to I. You have to multiply means it is equal to I. Now given statement is find the a to the power of 31. A to the power of 31, how I will write here? A to the power of a for 4 into 4 7s are 28 into a cube. A for 4 7 28 plus 3 31. Then a for 4 is equal to I for 7 into a cube. You I for 7 also I into a cube. I into a cube is equal to a cube. Our answer is third option. Okay, next question is this is a permutation combination. The 6 digit numbers that can be found using digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 such that each digit is used at least once. Here this is fill in the blanks as given. You have to find this value. Here total 6 digit number. You have to draw 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 numbers. Here 6 digits number you have to form, but here given numbers is only 5. Then you have to use one number is twice. That's why here total 6 numbers is write as 6 factorial. By repetition is 2 factorial. At the same time, this is unit is here either 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is we can write 5C1 or 5 ways. Now our answer is 5, C1 is equal to 5 into 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Then 5 into here 6 into here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. This one cancel. Then here this is the answer 1800. Or otherwise up to here we are 120. 5 factorial is you can write here if 5 into 6 into 5 factorial we know that here 120. This is 6 factorial means 720. 520 by 120 by 2. 2 1 2 6 6 6 5 are 30 30 into 60 1800. Next question, fourth one is the area of that is enclosed in the circle x square plus y square is equal to which is not common area enclosed by y is equal to x and y square is equal to x is. See here first one is circle has given x square plus y square is equal to 2. That means here radius is equal to root 2 units. You have to draw one circle. X, this is y, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. This is root 2 units radius. Here x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then this is root 2 units. Now you have to draw y is equal to x. This is a straight line, y is equal to x. Here this is a straight line, y is equal to x. Next y square is equal to x. Here y square is equal to x means here this is a parabola with respect x-axis, this is the common area. But here what he said here, it is not common area enclosure. That means this is total the circle minus this is a enclosed area. See here, now here y square is equal to x. Here you have to square on both sides. This one also y square is equal to x square and y square is equal to here x. Both y square are equal, then x square is equal to x. Now x square minus x is equal to 0, x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Here x 0 means y also 0, x 1 means y also 1. Then x 0 means here y 0 and y is equal to 1. Then we know that this is the limits here 0 to here 1 comma 1. Now see here, now this is enclosed total circle area minus this is enclosed area. This is total 360 degrees. That's why here 2 pi minus integral of here 0 to 1. Here this is which one? Y square. Y square means here root x minus here x into dx. Now 2 pi minus this is root x. Root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 by 2 means here x power 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. This one here 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 minus x square plus c here 0 comma 1. Now here 2 pi minus you have to substitute here 1. 1 means here 2 by 3 minus 1. 0 means total 0. Then 3 ones are 3. 2 pi minus 3 ones are 3 minus 2 here minus 1 by 3. Here minus into minus plus here 2 5 here 6. See here 1 minute. Here x square this is by 2 also, then here 1 by 2. Now 2 to the 4, 3 was a 3 by 2 3 is 6. Now 2 5 minus 1 by 6. You multiply 6 2 is 12 minus 1 by 6, 12 5. Here 12 5, where it is 12 5, 1 by 6 into 12 5 minus 1. This is second option. Next problem, if sum of all coefficients of even powers in 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus up to so on x to the power of 2n into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus up to so on x to the power of 2n is 61. Then n is equal to, see here 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube up to so on x to the power of 2n into 1 plus x square plus x cube plus up to so on x power 2n is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus up to so on a2n x power 2n. Now here x instead of you have to take 1. x instead of you have to take 1. Then what happens here? Here 1 minus 1 plus 1 square 1 minus 1 plus up to so on 1. Here 1 plus 1 up to so on 2n times. 2n times is equal to here also a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus up to so on a2n. Now here see here this is 1. This is 2n up to 2n terms, except this term all terms are see here, except this one here 1 2 3 4 up to 2n means here all are cancelled except this one 1 into here 1 plus up to so on. This is how many times except here this is 1 here to 1, then 1 to here 2n, then plus this one, then 1 plus 2n is equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2 up to here a2n. This is equation 1. Now one another time x instead of you have to take x is equal to minus 1, you have to substitute here x is equal to minus 1. Then what happened here? Here 1 plus minus into minus plus 1, here minus 1 whole square is equal to also plus 1 up to so on. This is also 2n times. Next here x instead of you have to put the minus 1 means 1 minus 1, your odd terms are minus and even terms are plus. 1 minus up to so on 2n means here 1, see here is equal to here also same where it is here a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 up to so on a2n. Now see here 1 plus 1 up to so on 2n times, except this one here up to n 1 plus 2n, and this is all terms are cancelled except first. Then you have to write here 1 is equal to a0 minus a1 plus a2 up to so on a2n. This is 2. Now this 1 plus 2 you have to do it. Equation 1 plus 2. See here I will drop this one. I will drop the question. See here 1 plus, here also 1 plus, here 2 times 1 plus 2n. Here this is even numbers, okay, here odd terms are cancelled, here this one also cancelled, 3 also cancelled, only even terms 2 times a0 a2 up to so on a2n. Now this 2 also cancelled, 1 plus 2n is equal to, this is the sum of the even terms already given 61. Now 2n is equal to 61, this one and this side, then 1. Here 2n is equal to 60, n is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Which option you have to check it? First option. This is the answer. Next question, if variance of first m natural number is 10 and variance of first m even natural number is 16, then the value of m plus n is equal to dash as given. Now see here that variance formula is equal to sigma d square by n minus sigma di by n whole square. Now see here first we have to find the first n natural number variance. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on, here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to so on n square by n minus here also 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n by n whole square. Now this is sum of the square of the first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 by this n minus here sum of the n into n plus 1 by 2 and to this n whole square. N and cancel your n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here this n and cancel, n plus 1 whole square means here n square plus 2n plus 1 by this is 4. Now here if the variance of first n natural number is equal to how much here is equal to 10. Now see here, or otherwise don't write this one. Simply you have to take common n plus 1 by 2, this is 4 you can take. Here n plus 1 you have to take common, n plus 1 by, you have to take 2 common, now 2n plus 1 by 3, here n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10. Now 2 here n plus 1 by 2 into here take LCM, this is 6. Here 2 into 2 4, n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 is equal to 10. Now see here. Now here 4n minus 3n n. Here 3 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 6 into this is n plus 1. N plus 1. Here these 2 also there by 2 is equal to 10. Now this is n square minus 1. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Here 2 into 6 12, 12 into 10 120. Now n square is equal to 121, n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11. Now we have to take the same m even natural numbers is equal to 16 as given. Here first m even numbers, natural numbers means here 2 square plus 4 square plus up to 2m whole square by here m even numbers means by m minus here 2 plus 4 plus up to 2m by m whole square. Now here 2 square you have to take common means 1 plus 2 square plus up to m square by m. Now here 2 common means 1 plus 2 plus up to m by m. Now 4 into here this is m into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1 by m. Here 2 into m plus 1 by 2 into this m whole square total whole square is there whole square. Then this 2 to cancel, mm cancel. Now here mm cancel. Here 4 into m plus by 6 also there. Here 6. Next here m plus 1 into here 2 2s are 2 3s are here 2 by 3 into m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. Here m plus 1 whole square. Now m plus 1 you have to take common. M plus 1 take common means here 2 by 3 into 2m plus 1 minus m plus 1. Actually this is equal to 16 as given. 16. Now take LCM. Here m plus 1 into here take LCM. Here 3. 2 into 2 4m plus 2 minus 3m minus 3 is equal to 16. Now here 4m minus 3m is equal to m plus 1 into m minus 1 by 3 is equal to 16. Now see here this n is equal to 11. Now this is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. M square minus 1 by cross multiply 16 into 3 48. Then m square is equal to 49. m is equal to 7. Now they asked then the value of m plus n. M plus n is equal to 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. Our answer is 18. Next question, evaluate limit x tends to 2, 3 power x plus 3 power x minus 1 minus 12 by 3 power minus x by 2 minus 3 power 1 minus x. Here let 3 power x by 2 is equal to some t. Now 3 power x is equal to t square, squaring on both sides. Now limit x tends to 2, then t tends to, here x tends to 2 means here 9 t square is equal to 9 means t is equal to 3. Now limit x tends to 2 3 power x. Instead of you have to write, here write 3 for x once again. So 3 for x by 3 minus 12 upon 3 power minus x minus x. It is write as 1 by 3 power x by 2 minus 3 by 3 power x. Now limit x tends to, instead of you have to take t tends to 3 for x is equal to t square plus your 3 square by 3 minus 12 upon 1 by t square. 1 by t square. Next 3 by 340 means t square. Now you have to take LCM here. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 t square minus 36. Yeah, limit t stands to 3 of 1 3. Here this is minus 2 by 3 t square minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 2 by 3 t square. Now see here, this one rewrite limit t stands to 3. Here 4 common and t square minus 9 by 3. This is going to numerator 3t square by 2 minus 2. Here we did one mistake here. See here 3 power x by 2. X by 2 means here you have to write only t. Then you can take LCM here. Here small mistake is there. See, that's why this is wrong. Listen. Limit t stands to 3. Now here 3 1 the 3 plus 1 4 t square minus 12. 12 into 3 36 by 3. Here denominator you have to write here t minus 3 by t square. T square. Now you have to rewrite limit t stands to 3. Here 4 common t minus t square minus 9 by 3. Here this is 2 2. Here t square going to numerator, then t minus 3. Now okay, now right here, see here limit t stands to 3. This one is right as 4 by 3 into a plus b into a minus b, t plus 3 into t minus 3 into t square by t minus 3. Now t minus 3 minus cancel. Limit t stands to 3. Now t you have to substitute directly. 4 by 3 into 3 plus 3 into t square is equal to 3 square. Now 4 by 3 into 3 plus 3 6 into 9. 3 ones are 3 twos are 8 into 4 to 8, 8 9 is 72. Answer is 72. Next problem, 8th problem. If f of x is continuous and differentiable in x belongs to my closed interval minus 7 comma 0 and f dash of x is less than 2 for all x belongs to a closed interval minus 7 comma 0, also f of minus 7 is equal to minus 3. The range of f of minus 1 plus f of 0. See here we have to use Lagrange's mean value theorem. Here x belongs to closed interval 7 comma, first we have to take minus 1. Next minus 7 to 0. Now see here, this is Lagrange's mean value theorem means here this is a, this is b, means this is a, this is b. Then f dash of x is equal to b minus a, f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Okay, let's see here. Now here also f of minus 1 minus f of minus 7 whole by minus 1 minus of minus 7. Here f of minus 1 we don't know f of minus 1. Here f of minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Minus into minus plus by here this is 7 plus minus 1 is equal to 6. Is less than or equal to 2. Now f of minus 1 is less than or equal to 12. 6 2 is 12 minus 3 9. This is equation 1. Now again we have to apply Lagrange's mean value theorem. Also we use Lagrange's mean value theorem x belongs to closed interval minus 7 comma 0. Now see here 0 f of here f dash of x, here also f dash of x. Then f dash of x means here f dash of 1. Here f of 0 minus f of minus 7 whole by 0 minus of minus 7 plus. It is also less than 2 for all x belongs to. Okay, right here f of 0 we don't know, f of 0 minus f of minus 7 is equal to minus 3, minus into minus plus by 7 is less than or equal to 2. Now this is f of 0 is equal to 2 7s are 14 minus 3 11. This is 1, this is 2. Now you have to add f of minus 1 plus f of 0 is equal to 11 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. Then which option is possible? Here this option. Here minus infinity to 20. Third option. Next question, if y is equal to mx plus 4 is a common tangent to parabolas, y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 2by, then value of b is equal to. See here, we have to draw, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. First equation has given y is equal to mx plus 4 and it is a tangent. Tangent means a line touches a curve at one point is called. Here y square is equal to 4ax. This is a upper side parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. Next one is x square is equal to 2by. This is x square is equal to 2by. Now this is the common tangent of y is equal to mx plus 4. Now see here, first one is y is equal to mx plus 4 as given. Actually here we have to comparison y is equal to x. One more as given, y square is equal to 4x. But actually y square is equal to 4ax. This is parabola. Then here 4 is equal to 4a means here a is equal to 1. Now this way a value you have to substitute here. Generally here the tangent of parabola, the tangent general equation of a tangent to a parabola is equal to y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. A is equal to 1, we know that. Y is equal to 4, m is equal to how much? Here m is equal to, you have to comparison these two. Here m is equal to 4. Then 4x plus 1 by 4. Okay, right here 1 by 4. So actually this is right here mx plus 1 by m. You can comparison these two. Then what is the value of m? 1 by m is equal to 4. Then m is equal to 1 by 4. Then you have to write here. Y is equal to x by 4 plus here 1 by m means here 4. This is 4. Now one more equation has given x square is equal to 2by. Now this y instead of you have to substitute here. X square is equal to 2by is equal to x by 4 plus 4. Now x square is equal to you have to take here 2b into x plus 16 by 4. Now 4x square cross multiply minus 2bx minus 32 is equal to 0. Now you have to divide by 2x square minus bx minus 16 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Here d is equal to 0. Then here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is the value of here b? 2b square minus 4 into 2 into 16 is equal to 0. Then here 2b square means here 4b square. This is 128. Sorry, here this is here b, not 2b, b. Then here b square is equal to 128. b. This is b also. This one is 32 b. Then here also b. Then here also b. Right here. Here also you have to write b. Now you have to take b common means b minus 128 is equal to 0. Here this is also minus means here plus, here also plus. Here b is 0, not possible, this one not possible. then b plus 128 is equal to 0, then b is equal to minus 128. Then which value here? Minus 128, third option. Okay, next 10th question. If alpha and beta are roots of equation k plus 1 into tan square x minus root 2 lambda tan square x tan x is equal to 1 minus k, and tan square alpha plus beta is equal to 50, then find the value of lambda. See here. Here alpha or beta are roots of given equation. Given equation k plus 1 into tan square x minus root 2 lambda tan x, this 1 minus k send this side, here plus k minus 1 is equal to right 0. Now here alpha and beta are two roots. Alpha and beta roots means here tan alpha plus tan beta. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means here minus of minus plus root 2 lambda by here k plus 1. Next one is product of the roots tan alpha into tan beta is equal to c by a. C by a means here k minus 1 by k plus 1. Now you have to write here tan alpha plus beta formula. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Here you have to substitute here. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 lambda by k plus 1 whole by 1 minus tan alpha beta is equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1. Now see here. Here root 2 lambda by k plus 1. Here you have to take LCM k plus 1. This is going to numerator k plus 1 whole by k plus 1 minus k plus 1. Now this k plus 1 cancel. Root 2 lambda is equal to this k cancel by 2 is equal to don't know. Then here tan square alpha plus beta is equal to 50 as given. Then here tan alpha plus beta instead of this value you have to substitute here. Here root 2 lambda by 2 whole square is equal to 50. Now this is 2 lambda square by 4 is equal to 50. Now this one 2 ones are 2 2s are. Lambda square is equal to 100 and lambda is equal to 10. Our answer is first one 10. Next question, find the image point 2, 1, 6. 2, 1, 6 in the plane containing points 2, 1, 0, triplet 6, 3, 3 and 5, 2, 2. Here 3 points as given. This is A, B, C you can take here. Then this is A, B and this is C. Now let AB vector AB is equal to 6 minus 2 I plus 3 minus 1 j plus 3 minus j 0 k. Now here 4I plus 2j and 3k. Next here AC you have to take here. AC vector AC is equal to 5 minus 2I plus 2 minus 1j plus 2 minus 0 k. Now this is 3I plus j plus 2k. Now you have to find the cross product of A, B vector and AC vector. Now I, j and k. Here 4, 2, 3. Here 3, 1, 2. Now you have to find here cross product I into 2 into 2 4 and minus 3 plus minus j into here 8 minus 3 into 3 9. Next one plus k into here 4 ones are 4 minus 6. Now see here this is a I, this is a j plus minus 2 k. Okay, this is a cross product. Now plane equation you have to write here. Plane equation. Here plane equation you have to write here. Here minus plus. Plane equation x plus y minus 2z is equal to some c. Here this point, any one point you have to lies in this one means here let a point lies on this plane. Then here 2 this is 2 plus here 1 plus 0 is equal to C. Then C is equal to here 3. Here 2 into 0, 0. Then here 2, 1, 0. Then C is equal to 3. Now here in this one, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and here C is equal to 3. Now we have to find the image of this one, image of 2, 1, 6. Two, 1, 6. Here x minus xi by A is equal to y minus yi by B is equal to minus 2 into ax plus by plus c by a square plus b square. Now x minus xi, which one here we have to find here? Xi, which point? See here already here this is c, ax plus by plus c, then you can write here some k. Then here this is k, then c is equal to here minus 2. Then here you can write here x plus y minus 2z is equal to 3, this equation. Now x minus xi is equal to how much here? 2 by a is equal to 1. Here y minus y1 is equal to 1 by b is equal to 1, and minus 2 into ax, a into x, a is equal to how much? 1, x is equal to x1 is equal to 2 plus b is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2 by a square plus b square means 1 plus 1. Now, okay, wait children, this is not visible, then I will write here. Here x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus 2 times a x1 plus b y1 plus c z1 plus this is k or d, you can write here this is k, or some d you can write also, no problem, or you can write here k also, no problem. Then plus d by here a square plus b square plus c square. Now here x minus, what is the x1 here? The image point is 2 here. x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1, and z1 is equal to 6. Now x minus x1 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 2 by a is equal to 1, and y minus y1 is equal to 1 by b is equal to 1, and z minus z1 is equal to how much here? 6 by minus 2 is equal to minus 2 times a x1, a is equal to 1 into x1 is equal to 2 plus b is equal to 1, and y1 also 1 plus c is equal to minus 2 into z is equal to 6 plus d is equal to how much here? d is equal to 3 plus 3 minus here minus 3 whole by here 1 square plus here 2 square 4. Now here x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 by minus 2 is equal to minus 2 of here 2 plus 1 minus 12 minus 3 whole by here 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now you can find here x minus 2. Then I will drop this one. X minus 2 by 1 is equal to here minus 2 into this is 3, these 3 cancel, minus 12, 2 into minus 12 by 6 ones are 6 twos are. Here x minus 2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 4, then x is equal to 6. Then y minus 1 by 1 is equal to same here, this is also 4. 4 means here y is equal to 5. Next z minus 6 by minus 2 is equal to 4. Then z minus 6 is equal to minus 8. Z is equal to here minus 8 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. Now x comma y comma z, the image is equal to 6 comma 5 comma minus 2. Which option check? First option. Next question, let x to the power of k plus y to the power of k is equal to a for k, where a comma k is greater than 0 and dy by dx plus y by x whole to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Then find the value of k. See, are given equation x to the power of k plus y to the power of k is equal to a to the power of k. Here difference with respect to x on either side. Now k into x to the power of k minus 1 plus k into y power k minus 1 into dy by dx. This is a constant, means it is equal to 0. Now this terms on that side, dy by dx is equal to, here k also cancel. Now y power minus x power k minus 1 by y power k minus 1. Then dy by dx is equal to minus of here x by y whole power k minus 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now given equation, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx plus y by x whole power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Now this terms on that side, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x whole power 1 by 3. Now this is 2. Here left hand side both are equal, then right hand side also equal. Then you have to write here y by minus x by y whole power k minus 1 is equal to minus of y by x whole power 1 by 3. Now this is minus, cancel either side. This one is write as y by x whole power 1 minus k is equal to y by x power 1 by 3. Now here bases equal, powers also equal. 1 minus k is equal to 1 by 3. Then this case on that side, 1 by 3 is on this side. K is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 1 is 3 minus 1. 2 by 3. My answer is equal to 2 by 3. Next question, 13th one. If g of x is equal to x square plus x minus 1 and g of f of x is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5, then f of 5 by 4 is equal to, here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 as given. Now you have to write here g of f of x is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5 as given. Here x instead of you have to take 5 by 4. Then g of f of 5 by 4 is equal to 4 into here 5 by 4 whole square plus 10 into 5 by 4 plus 5. Now this is 4 into 25 by 16 and 10 into 5 50 by 4 plus 5. Then here 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. Now 25 minus 15 plus 4 5s are 20 by 4. Now 20 plus 25 45 minus 5 by 4. This value is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now here g of x, actually this is looks like g of x. Okay, now g of x value we have to find it. See here, g of x is equal to x square plus minus 1. Here this is x we have to take. Now g of x, g of f of 5 by 4. Then here x instead of you have to substitute here f of 5 by 4. F of 5 by 4 whole square plus f of 5 by 4 minus 1. Now you have to take here f of 5 by 4 instead of you have to take some k. Then here k square plus k minus 1. This value we know that already. G of f of 5 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now you have to find here. It's equal to here. This value you have to write here. Minus 5 by 4. Now k square plus k minus 1. This is plus 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 0. Now k square plus k. Here 4 1s are 4. Minus 4 plus 1. 5. Here 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Now it is write as k square plus 2 into k into 1 by 2 you can write here. 2 into 2 cancel. Here 1 by 2 whole square. Then k plus 1 by 2 whole square you can write here. here k plus 1 by 2 also 0, then k is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the value of k here? What is the value of here? F of 5 by 4. F of 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Second one. Next problem, if z is equal to x plus iy and real part z minus 1 by 2z plus I is equal to 1, then the locus of z is a straight line with slope 2 and straight line with slope minus 1 by 2 and circle with the diameter root 5 by 2 and circle with the diameter is 1 by 2. See here z is equal to x plus iy as given. Next one is z minus 1 by 2z plus I. 2z plus I is equal to 1 as given. Now here z instead of you have to substitute this value. Here x plus iy minus 1 by here 2 into x plus iy plus I is equal to 1. Now x plus x minus 1 plus iy. Here real part separate and imaginary part separate here. Here 2x plus I common 1 plus y is equal to 1. Now you have to rationalize the denominator. Then here x minus 1 plus iy by here 2x plus I into 1 plus 2y. Here rationalized denominator means here 3x minus I into 1 plus 2y by 2x into I into 1 plus 2y. You have to multiply. It is equal to 1. Now multiply 2x into x, 2x square minus 2x and here I into minus I, minus 1 minus into minus plus y into y plus 2y square plus here I into 2xy. Next here this is 1 into x minus 1 and 2 into xy 2xy plus 2y into minus 1 2y whole by this is a plus b into a minus b, then a square plus b square 4x square plus 1 plus 2y whole square is equal to 1. Now right here 2x square minus 2x plus y plus 2y square plus I into here 2y, okay, here 4xy plus x minus 2y minus 1. I am asked if you can leave it and cross multiply. It is equal to 4x square plus 1 plus 2y whole square. Now comparison real part. Real part means here 2x square minus 2x plus y plus 2y square is equal to here real part 4x square plus 1 plus 4y square plus 4y. This is expand a plus b whole square formula. Now these all terms on that side, then 4x square plus 1 plus 4y square plus 4y minus 2x square plus 2x minus y minus 2y square is equal to 0. Now see here 4x square plus minus 2x square 2x square 4y square here 2y square plus 2y square. Next one is plus 2x plus 4y here constant term is 1 only is equal to 0. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is like circle. Now you can find the center. Center is equal to minus here minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. Then here radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Here 1 square plus 2 square 4 minus 1 under root 1 cancel is equal to 2. Then radius is equal to, then here diameter is equal to how much? Diameter. It is a circle. Here one small mistake is there. Here 4y minus y is equal to 3y. 3y. Now see here. This is a circle. Now you have to divide whole equation by 2. X square plus y square plus x plus 3 by 2y minus plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now center C is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4. Next R is equal to under root over g square plus f square minus c is equal to here 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2 under root. Here 10 by 4 minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 are okay. 10 by 4 means here 2 2s are 2 5s are minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. See here. Here this is f 3 by 4 whole square means 16. 16 here also mistake here. Sorry. Here this is 4 4 is 16. 9 2 8 is 16 by 16. Here 1 plus 5 by 4 under root 5 by 4. This is a radius. Here diameter d is equal to 2r. Here 2 into root 5 by 4 is equal to root 5 by 2. Then this is the option. Next problem, if the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the distance between its directrix is 12, then length of its lateral rectum is. Here the foci is equal to 2AE is equal to 6. Here AE is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Next one is the distance between its directrix. Directrix is equal to 12. Here A by E is equal to 2AE by E is equal to 12. Then 2 1 2 6 A by E is equal to 6. Then E is equal to A by 6. This E value you have to substitute here. This is 1. Then here A into A by 6 is equal to 3. Then A square is equal to 18. Then A is equal to 3 root 2. Now eccentricity E square is equal to A square minus B square by A square. Then here B square is equal to A square E square minus A square by A square cross multiply A square. Then here this B square and this side means A square minus B square. See here cross multiply A square E square is equal to A square minus B square. Now B square this side B square is equal to A square minus A square E square. Here A square common means here A square minus E square. Here B square is equal to here A square value we know that 3 into root 2 whole square minus 1 minus E. Eccentricity is equal to how much? We don't know. Then we have to find the eccentricity. Eccentricity you have to find here. Here E is equal to already we know that 3 root 2 by here 6. 3 1 3 2 sa. Then here E is equal to root 2 by 2 whole square. Then here 3 square 9. 9 into 2 here 1 minus 2 by 4. Then here 18. This one 4 1 4 minus 2 2 by 4. Then 2 1 2 here 9. B square is equal to 9. Then we have to find the lattice rectum. Lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by A. Here 2b square 2 into b square is equal to 9 by A is equal to 3 root 2. 3 1 3 3s are 9. Here root 2 1 times here root 2. Then 3 root 2. 3 root 2. This is second option. Next question, if y is equal to under root over 2 into tan x tan alpha plus cot alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha, when alpha belongs to 3 pi by 4 comma 5, that means it is belongs to second quadrant, then find the dy by dx at alpha is equal to pi by 6. See here y is equal to, first you have to take this one without root, 2 into here tan alpha you have to write here sin alpha by cos alpha plus here cos alpha by sin alpha whole by 1 plus here sin square alpha by cos square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. Now you have to take here LCM cos square alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha into sin alpha. Then 2 into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by sin alpha into cos alpha. Then this cos square alpha going to numerator, cos square alpha by here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. Now this is equal to 1 and this is also 1. Now here 1 cos alpha cancel. Now 2 into here sin alpha, sin square alpha again common, LCM, then sin alpha plus 1 by 2 sin alpha into cos alpha, this cos alpha plus 1 by here sin square alpha. Now this one is right as sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square. Why? Because this one is right as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2ab term this one. Then you have to write sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square by sin square alpha. Now you have to take this root y. Y is equal to under root over this is a sin alpha plus cos alpha by sin alpha whole square. Square root cancel. Now it is right as 1 plus here cot alpha. Y is equal to 1 plus cot alpha. Then here y is equal to 1 plus cot alpha. But here alpha belongs to Q2. Then second quadrant cot alpha is negative. Then y is equal to here modulus. You can take minus 1 minus cot alpha. Then here dy by dx is equal to 8. Dy by dx is equal to minus of minus cosecant alpha. Then here cosecant alpha and here cosecant alpha dy by dx at x here alpha is equal to dy by not dx dy by d alpha. Here also dy by dx. Okay, x. Here you can write here x. This is a cosecant how many degrees here? Pi by 6. Pi by 6 means how many degrees? Here 6 3s are 150 degrees. Cosecant 90 plus 30. Then cosecant 90 plus 30. Then here secant 30. Secant 30 is equal to how many degrees? What is the value? Cosecant 30 means here. So here 150 degrees means 90 plus 60. Then this is 60 degrees. Here this is 2 square means here you can write here square is equal to 4. dy by dx cot means here cosecant square x minus. Answer is 4. Then which option? Check it here. First option. Next question, if A is equal to 1, 1, B is equal to 6, 5, C is equal to 3 by 2, 2 are vertices of triangle ABC. A point P is such that the area of triangle PAB, triangle PAC, triangle PBC are equal. Also Q point as given, then the length of PQ. See here, this is a triangle. Then this is the center point of this one. Here A, this is B, C. This triangle is called this triangle, this triangle is called this triangle. All three triangles are equal. Here one point is there. This is Q. That distance you have to find here, P and Q. That Q is called given. Now see here, first we have to find the centroid. Centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now see here x1 here 1 plus 6 plus 3 by 2 by 3 comma 1 plus 5 plus 2 by 3. This is a point P center. Here 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17 by 6. Here 6 8 by 3. This is P. Next here this is q. Q as given, q is equal to minus 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. Now you have to find the length of PQ. PQ is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 17 by 6 plus 7 by 6 whole square plus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square. Now here 17 plus 7, 24 by 6 whole square plus 8 plus 1, 9 by 3 whole square. Now 6 1 are 6 4 are 3 1 are 3 3 are 4 square 16, here 3 square 9 is equal to 25 is equal to 5 is equal to 5 units. This is 5 units. Answer is 5 units. Next problem, 18th one, P implies Q and Q implies negation P is equivalent to here given option. Which one? First you have to take how many are given? Two statements, P, Q and P implies Q. Next one is negation P and Q negation P. Next this is total you have to take, that is some R. Now here T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. Here implies means when T is true and F is false, only false, remaining all are true. Now negation P means here F, F, T, T. Now Q implies negation P. Q implies negation P. Here T, F, where it is you have to check here. Here only F, T, F only. The remaining T only. Now see here. This P implies Q and Q implies P. This one, this two you have to check here. These two here and as given. When two statements are true, only true, then it is also true, otherwise false. Here this two true, here also T, remaining F, these two. Now which one is correct? You have to tally this one, F, F, T, T. Here F, F, T, T is there. Here this is the negation P is equal to given statement. Here this is first one. Next question, find the greatest value of k for which k 49 power k plus 1 is a factor of 1 plus 49 plus 49 square up to so on 49 power 125. See here given series is 1 plus 49 plus 49 square up to so on 49 power 125. Here total 126 terms as given. Next this one is it is in GP, geometric progression. Now Sn is equal to, Sn means S 126 terms, N is equal to here 6, 126. Next here R is equal to 49 only, and here R is greater than 1, then Sn is equal to A into R for N minus 1 by R minus 1. Now A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 49 power N is equal to 126 minus 1 by 49 minus 1. Now it is right as 49. Here this is 126 instead of you have tried 63 whole square minus 1 square you can write here. A for M, whole for N. Okay, here this is 48. 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. Now A square minus B square, this one is right as 49 power 63 minus 1 into 49 power 63 plus 1 whole by 48. Now see here 49 power k plus 1 is a factor. Here this is a factor of this one, this is also factor. Now you have to comparison these two values. 49 power 63 plus 1 is equal to 49 power k plus 1. This is 1 cancel, then 49 power 63 is equal to 49 power k. Here bases equal, k is equal to 63. This is the greatest value. Next problem, if f of x is equal to modulus of 2 minus modulus of x minus 3, modulus is non-differentiable in x belongs to s, then the value of sigma f of x is dash. See here modulus function as given means you have to take two cases, one is greater than, one is less than. Here x is greater than 0 means here modulus of 2 minus x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus x minus 3 is equal to 2 minus x plus 3. Then here 5 minus x. 5 minus x is equal to 0. You have to take means here x is equal to 5. Next you have to take here x less than 0. X less than 0 means here 2 minus modulus of x minus 3 is taking 2 minus, this is minus of minus plus, then x minus 3 you have to take here, then x minus 1. X minus 1 means here x equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. Next this inside one is modulus of x minus 3. X minus 3. Here it is greater than 0 means here x is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 3 you have to substitute means here this is 2. Now you have to draw graph means here this is 0, here 1, here 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here x is equal, first one is here 1 and 0. Next one is 3, 2. Here 1, here 2, 1, 2. Here 3, comma 2 and 5 comma 0 again. This like you have to draw. Now you have to find the f of 1 first you have to take 1 or 5 anyone. f of 1. Actually here modulus of 2 minus f of x. First you have to find f of x. f of x means here 2 minus x instead of you have to write x instead of modulus of x instead of modulus of 2 minus modulus x minus 3 this is x minus 3, then this is modulus of f of x. Now f of 1 you have to take f of 1 or 5 or 3 anyone you have to take here 1. Here modulus of 2 minus modulus of here modulus of 2 minus here 1 minus 3 is equal to here 2 minus modulus of 2 minus 1. 2 minus here 1 minus means this is 3. This is 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 minus 3. This is cancel. Now here 2. Here this is modulus of minus 3. Again plus 3 means plus into minus. It is equal to modulus of minus 1 means 1. Again you can take here f of 3 you have to take here. f of 3 also here 2 minus modulus of 2 minus here x instead of 3 you can take 3 minus 3. Then here 3 minus 0. Then modulus of 2 minus here 2 minus this is 0 means 2 minus 3 is equal to again minus 1. Then 2 minus modulus of 2 minus 1 is equal to again 1. Again you have to take here f of 5. This is f of 3. Now f of 5 you have to take here. Then here 2 minus modulus of 2 minus here 2 minus modulus of 5 minus 3 right here. Here modulus of 2 minus here this is 2 modulus of 2 minus 2 minus 3 this cancel. Now 2 this is 3 modulus of minus 3 also plus 3, then modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1. Now sigma f of x is equal to sigma f of x means here sigma f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Answer is 3. Next problem, if the system of equations 2x plus 2ay plus az is equal to 0, 2x plus 3by plus bz is equal to 0, 2x plus 4cy plus cz is equal to 0 have non-trivial solutions, then first option a plus b plus c is equal to 0, second option a comma b comma c are in AP, third one 1 by a comma 1 by b comma 1 by c are in AP, next one a comma b comma c are in HP. Now see here, you have to write in matrix form 2a and a 2 3b b 2 4c c equal to 0 is equal to 0. Now see here you have to take 2 common, then here 1 comma 2a comma a, that means here c1 by 2 stands to c1, then 1 3b b 1 4c c. Now here r1 minus r2 stands to r1 and r2 minus r3 stands to r2. Now here this is a 0, or otherwise you have to take this is 2 zeros, no problem. Okay, here 0, then 2a minus 3b a minus b. Now this one is 0, 3b minus 4c and b minus c, 1 4c c is equal to 0. Now you can find this value. Here 1 into this is 3b minus 4c into a minus b minus here 2a minus 3b into b minus c is equal to 0. Now see here 3ab 4ac, next minus 3b square plus 4bc. Now this one is 2ab, next here plus 3b square, next plus 2ac minus into minus plus into minus minus 3bc is equal to 0. Any terms cancel, check here 3b square cancel, next bc, here 3bc here 4bc, here ab 3ab minus 2ab ab, next here bc, next here minus 2ac is equal to 0. Now here in these two terms b you have to take common, a plus c is equal to 2ac, then b is equal to 2ac by a plus c, b is equal to 2ac by a plus c, then a comma b comma c are in HP, harmonic progression. Next question, if sum of 5 consecutive terms of AP is 25 and product of these terms is 2520, if one of the terms is minus 1 by 2, then find the value of greatest term. Here let the 5 terms of AP is a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d, total 5 terms. Here difference also same. Here difference is d, here also d. Now sum of these 5 terms is equal to 25. Then a plus, this is a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a d plus a plus 2d is equal to 25. Now this one cancel. Then 5a is equal to 25. A is equal to 5. Now product of these terms is equal to 2520. Now product of this one means simple. I will write directly. This is a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, and this one you have to write here a square minus d square into a is equal to 2520. Now this a instead of you have to substitute 5 square is 25 minus 4d square, and here 25 minus d square into 5 is equal to 2520. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, 0, 5 4s are 20. Now you have to multiply this one. 25 into 25, 625, and this is 25 into 400 d square, and d square into 25 minus 25 d square, minus into minus plus. Here 4 d for 4 is equal to 504. Now 4 d for 4 minus 125 d square plus 625, this 504 also send this side minus 504, 0. Now 4d for 4 minus 125 d square plus this is 1 and here 2 and 1 is equal to 0. Now this one is factorized. Here 4d for 4 minus 121 t minus 4d square plus 121 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms you have to take common d square, then 4d square minus 121. Next in these two terms minus 1 is common, then 4d square minus 121 is equal to 0. Now d square is equal to 1 and d square is equal to 121 by 4. Now d is equal to plus or minus 1 and d is equal to plus or minus 11 by 2. Now a value we know that and d value we know that. Now you have to substitute a first term a minus 2d when d is equal to 1 and here 4 cases are there. D is equal to 1 and d is equal to minus 1. D is equal to 11 by 2 and d is equal to minus 11 by 2. 2 cases. 2 plus 4 cases. Here d is equal to 1 and 11 by 2. D is equal to 1 you have to take and d is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 1. Here this is 3. And suppose you have to take minus 1 means this is 7. This is 7. Okay, here 7 also there. Next you have to take 11 by 2 means here 11 by 2. 2 to cancel. 2 to cancel means here 11 minus 5 minus 6. Suppose you have to take minus 11. Minus 11 by 2. 5 minus plus 11 by 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 11 22. 22 by 2 is equal to 10. 21 by 2. 21 by 2. This is suppose here greatest term we have to take here means a plus 2d. A plus 2d you have to take means here 5 plus 2 into here minus 11 by 2 you have to take once. 11 by 2 means here 5 to 10 minus 22 by 2 is equal to minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 6. This is also not greatest term. Then you have to check one more. You can take here plus means plus here 2 to cancel. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. This is the greatest term. This is the greatest term. Next problem, let A vector is equal to alpha I plus 2j plus beta k. A vector lies in a plane of B vector and C vector. B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap and C vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap of bisector angle between the B and C. Here we have to see here bisector. Angle bisector can be here angle bisector can be here alpha is equal to here lambda into B plus C or mu into B minus C you have to take here. First case we have to take here alpha is equal to lambda into here B plus C. Here B means where it what is here I plus j by here 1 plus 1 root 2. Next here plus here I minus j plus 4k by 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 16. Okay. Here lambda into here I plus j by root 2 plus here I minus j plus 4k by here this is 18. 18 is right as 3 root 2. Now you have to take here LCM 3 root 2 then lambda by 3 root 2 you have to write here then root 2 cancel 3i plus j plus I minus j plus 4k. Here lambda by 3 root 2 is equal to 3i plus I 4i here jj cancel plus 4k. Yeah, this is also 3j, sorry 3j then 3j minus 2j plus minus j plus 2j plus 4k. Then you have to take 2 common means here 2 lambda by 3 root 2 is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Now here alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to here 2 you have to take here. But here you have to take alpha is equal to 4 then don't write here 2. Actual comparison this equation here then here 2j then alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to 4 when lambda by 3 root 2 is equal to 1 then lambda is equal to 3 root 2. This is not there. Again you have to take second case. Then here alpha is equal to mu into B vector minus C vector. Here mu into B vector what? Here B vector again 1 plus I plus j by root 2 minus, here this is minus I minus j plus 4k by 3 root 2. Now you have to take LCM mu by 3 root 2. Here 3i plus 3j, here minus into plus minus I plus j minus 4k. Then here mu by 3 root 2. Here 3i minus I 2i, and this is 4j minus 4k. But here j value is equal to 2. Then you have to take 2 common. Then 2 mu by 3 root 2 into I plus 2j minus 2k. Now see here, this one is equal to 1. 2 mu by 3 root 2 is equal to 1. Then mu is equal to 3 by 3 root 2 by 2. Now I'll drop this one this side. Now alpha is equal to, then alpha is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. Now here one option you have to take, any one option. Here one, which option we have to check here? Options 4 option you can do, or third option, or second option you have to say. First option, a into k is plus 2 is equal to 0. This is possible or not? Here k is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then first option only correct. Okay, next question. You are given integral of, given f of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to f of x. For all x belongs to R, then the value of 1 by a plus b into integral of a to b x into f of x plus f of x minus 1 dx is equal to. Here given f of a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to f of x. Here let x is equal to x plus 1. X instead of x plus 1 you have to substitute here. Then f of a plus b plus 1 minus x minus 1 is equal to f of x plus 1. Here 1 cancel. Now f of a plus b minus x is equal to f of x plus 1. Now you have to take given integration I is equal to 1 by a plus b integral of a to b, here x f of x plus f of x minus 1. Here you have to apply law, first law. Here 1 by a plus b into here integral of a to b, here b plus a minus x, next into here f of x instead of b plus a or a plus b minus x plus here f of b plus a minus x minus 1 into dx. Now see here 1 by a plus b into integral of a to b, here b plus a minus x. Now this one is b minus a, b plus a minus x. B f of b a plus b minus x is equal to f of x plus 1, and this is see here f of x into dx. This is 2. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 2i. 2a is equal to, this one is common, means here x cancel, the here a plus b cancel. Now integral of a to b f of x plus 1 plus f of x dx. Now here integral of a to b, here f of x plus 1 instead of what you have to write here, this one you can write here. Which one? F of x plus 1. F of x plus 1 is equal to same a plus, here this one you can write here, this one x plus 1. Now you have to separate this one, see here. separate this one. Here integral of a to b f of integral of a to b f of x plus 1 plus integral of a to b f of x dx. Here also dx. Now here again you have to apply this formula. Here integral of a to b, here f of x instead of a plus b minus x plus 1 plus integral of a to b f of x dx. Now this one, see here, a plus b minus x plus 1 is equal to here. Then this is again f of x. Then integral of a to b f of x plus integral of a to b f of x dx. Now see here, this is 2i. Then 2i is equal to 2 times integral a to b f of x. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, 25th question. This is the last question. An unbiased coin is thrown 5 times. Let x be a random variable and k be the value assigned to x. For a k is equal to 3, 4, 5 times head occurs consecutively and otherwise the value x is assigned minus 1. Then what is the value of expectation? Here x is equal to k is equal to 3, 4, 5 times is head will come. Then here sigma x px is equal to here, this is a 0 term, head means here minus 1 into 1 by 32 plus here 1 time means here minus 1 into 12 by 32 plus 2 times also minus 1 into 11 by 32. 3 times means here already assigned 3 times means you have to take here 3 times. Then what is the value here? 3 times. Here 3 as to you have to write 3. Here 3 into 5 by 32 plus here 4 into 2 by 32 plus 5 into 1 by 32. Right, see here minus 1 by 32, next minus 12 by 32, minus 11 by 32, 15 by 32 plus 4 to 8 by 32 plus 5 by 32. Now this is all like fractions. Now 1, 12, 13 to minus 24. Then this one is 5, 20, 28 by 32. Here 4 by 32 is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8. This is the correct option, first one. Thank you watching for everyone.